Robert Miller Jr. I'm a professional engineer. I own Tecton Engineering. We're the design professional for the project. We did all the rendering work, architectural. We were looking for different options through the design phase. With FinishWorks being in kind of a sister company or partnership, obviously it's always nice when you can use products manufactured by the same companies. The Nudura we've used on other projects, they're formed, so that's very practical and from an energy efficiency standpoint. And our mason was very familiar with that product. The NewBrick, this is the first time we've used the product. It definitely was a good learning experience to better understand, design parameters, where it can be used, how to support it, and then of course the application, what type of connections to the Nudura, and of course the sales force gave us a lot of good information and emailed us the specifications, some videos of the application, and details for our construction drawings as well. It's a very comparable material to work with. Being a surface applied material, you don't have the foundation to deal with, plus the structural load compared to traditional brick. This definitely gives it a more architectural look. It works well with the metal building frame, looking at the R value and getting that continuous insulation, on the inside and perimeter. That's an advantage compared to some of the more traditional wall systems. We're a big believer in a quality product, as much maintenance free for a commercial building as possible. And so if you have somebody looking at a long-term return of investment, that's kind of where I see the advantage with the ICF form, and then the Dryvit just gives you that nice look on the outside, and we're excited to see the final product.